How to send anonymous emails. I am going to show you how you can send anonymous emails. Open your web browser and go to the Gorilla Mail website. On the Gorilla Mail homepage, you will see a randomly generated email address for temporary use. You can use this address to send and receive emails anonymously. Click on the Compose or New Email button to start composing a new email message. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Make sure it is correct to ensure the email reaches the intended recipient. Write your message in the email body. Avoid including any personal information that could reveal your identity. Gorilla Mail provides options to customize your email settings, such as adding attachments, changing the sender name, or setting an expiry time for the email. After composing your email and verifying the recipient's email address, to send the email anonymously. If the recipient replies to your email, you can access the response by going back to the Gorilla Mail website and entering the temporary email address you used. Gorilla Mail provides temporary email addresses that expire after a certain period. Once the address expires, the email account is no longer accessible. By following these steps, you can send anonymous emails using Gorilla Mail without revealing your real identity or personal information. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.